In this video, I will give you all the answers to the Stellar Lumens Coinbase Learn and Earn quiz. Now as you guys can see, after you've watched this video, you'll have $10 worth of Stellar Lumens or XLM in your wallet. Now let's get right into it. So the first question is, what is Stellar? And the correct answer is a decentralized protocol that unites the world's financial infrastructure. And the second question, what are Stellar Lumens or XLM? And the correct answer is facilitating low-cost universal payments. And the third question is, why is Stellar good for sending remittances? I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce that, however the correct answer is transactions are fast, inexpensive and global. Question 4. Why would banks and businesses use Stellar? To issue, exchange and transfer tokens quickly and efficiently. How does Stellar Consensus Protocol work? It relies on the cooperation of trusted nodes to confirm transactions. And these are all the answers to the Stellar Lumens XLM Coinbase Earn and Learn quiz. If you want to get all the answers for free to the other quizzes, make sure to watch these videos that are on your screen right now.